congratulations for the BTC, one of the most favorite cryptocurrency in the world, and it's already gained like 10% on the 4-hour chart. Basically a really good, like previous is red bar and having a really big news on that point. BTC per USDT having a really big gain. If they can go up, push it to the 55,555, then it will try to push it to the 56,000. Wow. So if you entry already at the below this one, it's really good for here right now. For the Bollinger Band here is also already above all of the, like the upper band, right? If there is going down, I think it should be only go to the 53,000, right? Still having a bullish trend, yes, as you can see in here, it's still on the bullish, right? Still on the bullish trend here. Like previous having a sideways, like going down trend, and they're having sideways, and they're now going up already. A really big gain again. We will see on the all-time high. Basically, the all-time high is at 64,000, and currently price is only at 54,370. So still having opportunity to go up and getting higher. RSI stochastic have to be attention because it's already in the overbought position. For the moving average is already like 4 days having a really big gain, right? A really big here, and try to push it again and getting higher. Try, and we can pray for it like 56,000, right? Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.